Hi, Kristen here from Empire East. Good morning. That's a showroom here in Silver Heights. We have 2-bedroom modern unit, 35 square meters. As you can see, we have a very spacious dining and living area. Our kitchen is over on the right side. Our toilet and bath, very spacious as well. First bedroom. Our second bedroom, very spacious. We have provision for our cabinets, provision for refrigerator. For the kitchen, we already have our sink right here. Provision for our kitchen area, so very spacious. Thank you. Come visit us.